Good morning TYBSC student. Today we are going to discuss the TYBSC Botany paper 4th BO334 semester 3rd syllabus. Name of paper is Spermatophyta and Paleobotany. In this chapter there are three topics are there, that is Gymnosperm, Angiosperm and Paleobotany. The Gymnosperm is of the weightage of this Gymnosperm have the 12 lecture, the weightage to the Angiosperm have 24 lecture, and weightage to Paleobotany have the 12 lectures. So total syllabus is of the 48 lecture. The first topic is the Gymnosperm. The Gymnosperm is the group of the Spermatophyta, and it is the subtype of the phanerogams, that is the particularly flowering plants. These flowering plants or the Spermatophyta, they are known as the phanerogams because they having the flowers, and as they having the capacity to produce the flower, so they are also known as the Spermatophyta, that is seed producing group. So it includes the Gymnosperm as well as the Angiosperm. Gymnosperm is the group which have the naked seeds or the open seeds. The name itself indicates that the Gymnosperm are nothing but the gymno. It is made up of the two words, that is gymno and the sperma. That is the group of the plants in which the seeds are naked, that is naked seeded group of the plants. And flowers are not so attractive. Flowers are present, but those flowers are not so attractive. Flowers are present in the form of the compact structure that is known as the cone. They are nothing but the so in some plants the both male and female cone are present on the same plant, or they are present on the different plants. So these are the Gymnosperm, are the group of the plants in which the seeds are naked, and they are growth of this group is comparatively very slow, and they are always found the evergreen. So in this topic there is the expectation, that is the general characters of the Gymnosperm, that is as compared to the Angiosperm. Then different types of the groups are there, different types of the plants are there, that is the Pinus is there, Nitum is there, Cycas is there. So in case of this one, what are the economic importance of these Gymnosperm, and there is the comparison in between these two. Then according to the Chamberlain, the classification of the Gymnosperm given by the Chamberlain. Then in this syllabus, in this topic, the study of the two plants are there, that is the one is the Pinus and the second one is the Nitum. And in this syllabus, that is the discussion is may given, or it may discuss with the with the reference to distribution, morphology, anatomy, reproduction, then gametophyte, sporophyte, seed structure, and in the life cycle what is the alternation of generation of these Gymnosperm, or these the two groups, that is two plants, that is Pinus as well as the Nitum. Then next group of the plants, that is next group of the Spermatophyta, next next plant group of the Spermatophyta or the phanerogams is the Angiosperm. The name itself indicates that Angiosperms are nothing but the group of the plants in which the seeds are enclosed group of the enclosed seed group of the plants. That is name itself indicates that angion means closed, and sperma means seeds. The seeds are enclosed inside the ori, or seeds are enclosed inside the fruit, so they are known as the angiosperms. The character of this angiosperm, that is typical character of the angiosperm, is that in case of the angiosperm there is flowers are so attractive as compared to the Gymnosperm. That is flowers are made up of the calyx, corolla Androecium and Gymnosperm. That is, the outer two are outer two uh, parts or outer two whorls are known as the non-essential whorl, that is the calyx and corolla, and internal two whorls, that is the uh, Androecium and Gymnosperm, they are the essential whorls. So togetherly they forms a flower. So flowers are so attractive. One more thing, that is the double fertilization and triple fusion is the character of angiosperm. In case of this angiosperm, double fertilization and triple fusion is found there. Vegetative propagation is found properly. And one more thing, that is angiosperms are found the any type of the habitat. When we visit to this one, that is these angiosperms are found in the water, that they are known as the hydrophytes. They are found in the jerry condition, they are known as the xerophytes, or they are found near to the sea, that is known as the lithophytes, that is the group of the plants. They are known as the halophytes. So they are found near to the sea. So such type of the group of the angiosperms, that is double fertilization and triple fusion, is the typical character of angiosperms are found there, and seeds are enclosed. In this syllabus, that is there is the expectation in this syllabus, that is the reference to the origin of angiosperm, then place and ancestors of the angiosperms. That is, for that the different theories are introduced in the syllabus, that is the pteridosperm theory, then the Benetitilian theory, and the Nittelian theory. This theory indicates that these are the different types of the group, that is they are gymnospermic group or the pteridophytic group. But what happens, that is in this group the angiosperms are compared with these groups, means this group have the plants, those have the certain characters which match with the angiosperm. So how they are this, it indicates that how there is the similarity in between the these groups, that is the other groups, pteridophytes or gymnosperm and angiosperm, how they gets compared, how the from which parts, from which group of the plants the angiosperm may develops, and for that there are the such type of the theories are introduced. Then next topic is the subtopic is that the classification of the angiosperm. The for classification of the angiosperm, there are the different types of the systems are introduced in the syllabus, that is the artificial system of the plant classification. The name itself indicates that this artificial system of classification is nothing but the, at that time the only few characters or 1 to 2 characters was taken under consideration, and very few characters are added while the plants are classified. And for that the characters like the color of the flower or the number of the stamens, number of the gynoecium, these simple characters are taken under consideration. And so what happens, because of that this system haven't the more information, and then this system was rejected. So in this syllabus we are going to discuss on this artificial system. The next system is the natural system of classification. Natural system indicates that in this system the all possible characters or maximum morphological as well as anatomical characters are taken under consideration, and in which the different types of the characters, that is the nature of the flower, that is they are polypetalous or the gamopetalous, then nature of the gynoecium, that is they are monocarpellary or bicarpellary or tricarpellary, then presence of the flowers or absence of the flower, that is the we can say that they are the group of the plants in which the bracts are present or bracts are absent. These all possible characters are also considered. One more thing, the nature of the petals, nature of the sepals. These all possible characters are taken under consideration, and for that this natural system is introduced. Next system is the phylogenetic system of classification. This phylogenetic system is the system of the evolution. So this system is also may discuss in the syllabus. And then next one is the Hutchinson system of classification, in which the outline as well as the assumptions of this system as well as the all merits and demerits of the all systems are taken under consideration. And finally the third group, which is the APG group. This APG group will be discussed in this syllabus. Then third chapter is the study of the following families according to the Bantam and Hooker system of classification, which is the ideal system of the plant classification. And in this syllabus, the study of the family will be done, or it will discuss with the reference to the systematic position. Systematic position is nothing but the classification of the plants. The plants are classified according to this Bentham and Hooker system of classification. That is, it starts from the division. That is it starts from the division and it goes, or it ends up to the species. Means the classification of the plants from the division and then ends into the species. Then distinguishing characters of the family. Distinguishing characters in the sense that is which type of the typical character is that which is present in this group, in this family, in particular family, which may distinguish, which may separates this family from the others. So these characters are taken under consideration, or these characters may discuss in this syllabus. Then which are the economic importance of these families? Suppose there is a particular family is taken for the study, then members of this family in the syllabus, members of this family taken for the study, then what are the economic importance of these plants? Then it may supports by the floral formula and floral diagram in this syllabus. Then what is the floral formula? That is, floral formula is nothing but the all discussion about the flower. That is, this floral formula includes the presence or the absence of the bracts. The flower is bracteate or ebracteate. Or one more thing, that is, flower is symmetrical or asymmetrical. That is, actinomorphic or zygomorphic or asymmetrical. All these characters are considered in the floral formula. Then one more thing, how many petals are there, how many sepals are there? That is, firstly, that is how many sepals are there. These sepals are polysepalous or gamosepalous. Petals are polypetalous or gamopetalous. These all may discuss in this syllabus. Then laterally, number of the stamens, how many stamens are present in this flower. Then these stamens are attached to the stamens may attach to the petals, or stamens are attached, that is particularly epipetalous. These all things may discuss. One more thing, that is the nature of the gynoecium are also discussed in the floral formula. That is the monocarpellary or bicarpellary or tricarpellary or pentacarpellary. These all are discussed in this syllabus. And one more thing, that is uri is superior or uri is inferior, also discussed in this floral formula. One more thing, the floral diagram. Floral diagram is nothing but the diagrammatic presentation of the flower. That is, in which the nature of the aestivation of calyx and corolla are indicated in this floral diagram. One more thing, the nature of the stamens, that is they are attached to the corolla or free from the corolla, they are also indicated in the floral diagram. And one more thing, at the center there is the nature of the gynoecium, that is the placentation is shown in this floral diagram. And for that, there are the different types of the families are families may discuss. That is the Magnoliaceae, then next family is the Caparidaceae, then Rhamnaceae, then Leguminosae, that is the Fabaceae, which is known as the family of the uh, different types of the pods. Then sunflower family may discuss in this one, it is known as the Asteraceae. Then family of the Adathoda basica is the Acanthaceae will discuss in this syllabus. Then family of the Vincarosia, that is the Apocynaceae, will discuss in this syllabus. Then family of the Ocimum sanctum, that is the family Lamiaceae, will be discussed in this syllabus. Then family Nyctiaginaceae, which is the family of the Bougainvillea spectabilis, will be discussed in this syllabus. And then Orchidaceae, that is the family of the different types of the orchids. And lastly, the family which is nothing but the family Canaceae. Canaceae is the family of Cana indica, will discuss in this syllabus. Then the this chapter is supported by the plant identification. Plant identification, these are the different types of the keys which are helps for the plant identification, that is the Latin diagnosis and recent trends for the plant identification. And then the how, next one is the how the flora may use, or what are the ideas to using the floras. It also may discuss in this syllabus, or then practicing the indented and bracketed keys. These are the keys, those are prepared artificially. These artificial key preparation also may discuss in this one. And then plant authentication, it may also discuss in this one, or these are may discuss in this syllabus. Then last topic is the topic of the Paleobotany. The Paleobotany is the branch of science which deals with the study of the fossils. So in this topic, the different types of the characters, such as the geological timescales and the form genera, may discuss in this one. Then next topic, subtopic, is that the fossils, that is definition of the fossils, then the process of fossilization, and then the different types of the fossils, how the fossils are formed, and which are the types of the fossils, particularly impression, compression, petrifaction, pith cast, and coal balls. It will be discussed in this syllabus. Then study of the different types of the fossil groups, that is fossil group particularly Syllopsida, that is salient features, then external and internal character of the particularly the member, that is known as the Rhynia chart, will be discussed in this one. Then next group, second group, is the Lycopsida, that is salient features of the order Lepidodendrons, external and internal morphology of Lepidodendron will be discussed in this syllabus. Then next third group is the Spinopsida, that is salient features of calamites. Then external internal morphology of the calamites will be discussed in this syllabus. Then Pteridosperm, that is the external and internal morphology of the Lysinopteris oldhamia, will be discussed in this syllabus, or it will concentrate on this syllabus. Then last group is the Pentoshyli. Pentoshyli is nothing but Pentoshyli are the typical group in which the xylem shows the such type of the 5 character or 5 groups, that is salient features and external as well as the internal morphology of the stem, that is the pentoshylon. Then leaf may discuss in this one. And lastly, these are the list of the books which are used for the purpose of the referencing. So thank you very much. Then stay safe, stay home, and have a good day. Thank you.